Assalamu alaikum dear students. Again I'm Mansur Ali, lecturer of mathematics, APDC, Malir Kent. Today's lecture is all about uh, remaining questions of exercise 1.4. Okay, exercise 1.4, question number 3. This is a piecewise function that if 3 of x is equal, the function is 3 of x if x is less than equal to minus 2. Okay, and x square minus 1 if x is greater than minus 2 and less than 2, then the function would be x square minus 1, and if x is greater than equal to 2, then the function is 3. So this is the question that comes in the board as well, that discuss continuity. This is the most important question. Discuss continuity at 2 and minus 2. Okay, for x is equal to 2, the given function has 3 parts that I said earlier, that x square minus 1 is valid for x is less than 2. Okay, so for left hand limit we shall use f of x is equal to x square minus 1, because this is the smallest limit. Left hand limit is smallest limit x. Okay, so we can use this function. Thus f of left hand limit 2 minus means left hand limit 2 minus x square minus 1. So I'm just putting approaching to 2, so 2 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, that is equal to 3. Okay, now since 3 is valid for x is greater than equal to 2, like this, 3, the function of 3 is valid for x is equal to 2. So because it is greater than sign, so for the right hand limit we shall use function of 3. So this function right hand limit means 2 plus means right hand limit, so the answer would be 3 because function is 3. Okay, now since x is 2, now I'm just putting x, where is x is 2, there is, since x is greater than equal to 2, so we can say that x is greater than equal to, so x is equal to 2 is function is 3. So x is approaches to 2, function is 3, so a limit x tends to 2 from f of x is equal to 3, and it is also given that f of 2 is equal to 3, f of 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so this shows that limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to x f of 2. So the given function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Why? Because now look at this, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 is equal to f of 2. F of 2 means what is the value of the function if we put 2? Okay, where is 2? Here is 2. Okay, so limit x tends to 2 is equal to 3. This is okay, and this is equal to f of 2 as well. This is equal to f of 2, so the function is continuous. Okay, for x is equal to minus 2, because x is equal to 2 we have valid x is equal to minus 2, since 3x is valid for x is less than equal to minus 2. So if x is equal to minus 2, so for left hand limit we shall use f of x is equal to 3x. Okay, so this is the thing that we use it, and since x square minus 1 is valid for x is greater than 2, so this is the right hand limit. Okay, this is the right hand limit because of the sign right hand limit, and this is left hand limit. Okay, ये लेफ्ट हैंड से अप्रोच करेगा, ये राइट हैंड से अप्रोच करेगा. ठीक है, so for right hand limit we shall use this function, so the answer is 3. Okay, so left hand limit is 3 and right hand limit is this, but you can see that it is not equal. It is not equal, so left hand limit and right hand limit is not equal. We can say that the function is discontinuous at x is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is question number 4, that f of x is continuous at x is equal to minus 1. So we need to find c. Find c. आपको c मालूम करना है that f of x is continuous at x is equal to minus 1 or limit x approaches to minus 1 f of x exists. ठीक है, both are same thing. Now this is another piecewise function. This is called left hand limit and this is called right hand limit. ठीक है, so f of x is equal to x plus 2 and x is less than equal to minus 1, so we can use this function x plus 2, and x is greater than minus 1, we can use this function c plus 2. Okay, so now look at this minus 1, because from left hand limit minus 1 plus means it is coming from left hand side. Okay, so sorry, right hand side, it is coming from right hand side, so minus 1, so we can use this function c plus 2. Okay, and for the left hand limit we can use this function x plus 2. Okay, so minus 1 we can put it here because x is approaches to minus 1, so minus 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. Sorry, now we are considering about the f of x is continuous or not at x is equal to minus 1. So students, limit x tends to minus 1 plus means that limit is right hand limit and left hand limit. What is right hand limit? Right hand limit is c plus 2 and left hand limit is 1, and this is the theorem, this is whole theorem, that f of x is continuous at x is equal to minus 1. Then the theorem is that right hand limit and left hand limit, it should be equal to each other. Okay, so what is the value of this thing? C plus 2 from here we can get, and what is the value of this thing? 1 from we can get, and now we can easily find c, because plus 2 it should be goes to that side, so it should be 1 minus 2 minus 1. There is some error. This is c is equal to minus 1. Okay, c is equal to minus 1. I hope you learn this question. Okay students, question number 5. Find the values of m and n so that the given function is continuous. Means we need to find m, this m and this n, so the function will be continuous. Okay, so this is a different question. Okay, the given function f of x has 3 parts. Then you can see left hand limit, right hand limit, and at the particular point. Okay, since mx is valid for x is less than 3, okay, ये left hand limit देखो. So for left hand limit mx we shall use f of x is equal to mx. So left hand limit माइनस की साइन आ गई लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट के लिए. ठीक है, माइनस की साइन आ गई ये भी. ठीक है, एंड limit x tends to 3 mx. So 3, if I put x instead of 3, so 3m. Okay, now since minus 2x plus 9 is for x is greater than 3, means right hand limit, so we shall use f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 9. So now plus means right hand limit, so minus 2x plus 9, and 3 should be put here, 3 to the minus 6, 9 plus is 3. Okay, since it is given that f is continuous, because it is continuous, so it will also continuous at x is equal to 3, at x is equal to 3, and the limit is must exist at x is equal to 3. Okay, so left hand limit, right hand limit, both are same, because it should be the theorem that left hand limit and right hand limit if the function is continuous. So 3m, this 3m and this 3 equal, which is 0, so m is equal to 1. Okay, and since left hand limit and write the limit and function at the the particular point. It is equal, so n is equal to 3 because this is the function at the point. Okay, so n is equal to 3 and m is equal to 1. So if we put m is equal to 1 means x1 is x and n is equal to 3, so the function will be continuous. Okay dear students, question number 6. X is not equal to 2, then we can use this function, and if x is equal to 2 then we can use k and find the value of k. We need to now find this k, find the value of k, so that f is continuous at x is equal to 2. Okay, so x tends to 2 means that it approaches to 2, it is not exactly 2. ये बात याद रखें आप. X tends to 2 means it is not exactly equal to 2, so we cannot use k. Okay, approaches to 2, दैट 2 नहीं है, 2 के अलावा है. ठीक है, तो 2 नहीं है के अलावा मतलब क्या होगा कि हम ये वाला फंक्शन यूज़ करेंगे बिकॉज अप्रोचेस टू 2. अंडर रूट 2x + 5 माइनस अंडर रूट x + 7. नाउ लुक एट दिस, इट इज 0/0 फॉर्म बिकॉज अनडिफाइन हो रहा है ना. अनडिफाइन 0 2 - 2 अगर हम करते हैं तो अनडिफाइन हो रहा है, इन्फिनिटी हो रहा है. तो अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे, इसका कॉन्जुगेट लेंगे. वी आर टेकिंग कॉन्जुगेट. ओके, आई जस्ट टेक द कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ दिस, multiply and divide with the opposite sign, then a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, and this is same as in the denominator. Okay, square से root cancel. Okay, now this is the same thing. Okay, now 2x minus x and 5 minus 7 minus 2, and we can cancel this x minus 2 to this x minus 2. Now you can apply the limit because there is no x minus 2 term, because if you put 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so now we apply the limit, so the answer is 1/6 after applying the limit. That 2 to the 4 plus 5 9 root is 3, again 9 root is 3, so 3 plus 3 was 1/6. Okay, now as fx is continuous at x is equal to 2, this is the value is given, fx is continuous at x is equal to 2. So limit f of x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2 because it is continuous. So 1/6 because from here, and f of 2 from here, f of 2 is equal to k. Okay, so what is the value of k? 1/6. Any question students, so please ask me through WhatsApp. I'm waiting for your positive responses. Allah Hafiz. And thank you for your attention. Okay, now if you have any query, so you can ask me personally through WhatsApp, through mail, through Google Classroom, so every platform you can use it. Okay.